Hey everyone, it's Ace playing here, and in this video I just wanted to show you a quick unboxing of the new Oculus Quest 2. Now this video is just going to be a very quick unboxing. I apologize for the lighting as well. The lighting in my place is just not the greatest, so I did what I could. It's also very dark out today. I'm in the New England area, for those of you that don't know. It's raining and it's very muggy out today, so I did what I could. Sorry folks, I also have a GoPro strapped to my head while recording this, so that's why it's not perfect, but yeah. On a totally unrelated note, feel free to become a member today by hitting that join button to support the channel for new equipment and things of that nature. The first interesting thing you'll notice here is that there's a little arrow that you pull on in order to get the plastic off. I thought that was pretty neat. Again, sorry for the lighting, you can't really tell, but there's a little arrow that tells you where to pull, so you don't need scissors to cut the box open. Anyway, this is the Oculus Quest 2 unboxing. Taking a look here, we've got the new controllers. The new controllers, they seem a little shorter but thicker as far as on the palm area goes, which seems okay. And the actual circle area itself with the touchpad buttons seems a little bit bigger. I don't know, it could be me. It seems like this is a shorter but thicker controller, if you're into that kind of thing. And obviously everything is now white instead of black, including the charger. Now the actual headset itself has been trimmed quite a bit. As you'll see in a minute, I'm going to do a side-by-side comparison with the Oculus Quest 1. And just to give you a quick insight here, this was pre-ordered via Best Buy, probably about 5 days after the initial announcement. I was the first one there today. I was the first one in store. There was no line. There was no demand. Either that or most people had pre-ordered them and are going to pick them up later after work. I did notice there were a lot of pre-orders. In fact, they had a hard time finding mine because there were so many pre-orders. I was actually shocked. So if you did pre-order it, you should be in good shape from Best Buy. If you pre-ordered it from Oculus though, it sounds like most people aren't getting them today. Could be wrong. We'll see as the day unfolds. Sounds like they're going to come tomorrow. But yeah, I was fortunate to get mine today. And as far as the headset goes, compared to the Oculus Quest, the original, of course, it's smaller. The strap is a little different. I did not buy any additional accessories. I did not get the new strap that they had because I wanted to try this as is, just to see what it's like. I also feel like you shouldn't have to buy an additional strap. I think that's a little ridiculous. When you find the regular strap uncomfortable, then by all means, go right ahead. Now I'm going to try this out to see if it's comfortable or uncomfortable, and I will let you know. We've got a lot more coverage here. We're going to try out some games. We'll have a lot more content on the channel. Did you buy an Oculus Quest today? Do you plan on getting one? Do you have any questions about it? Let me know in the comments.